Izzy.
Get it. Oh, great. He doesn't have
Palmer wants something to do with it now.
Give me bread.
Oh, you knew that was gonna happen.
I want it all for myself.
Hi, keep it on the dish, lady.
Just keep filming.
I want Palmer to get her cake.
Okay.
Party, she no get her cake.
You keep filming though, but I'll put it back. I'll move Izzy. Take the yellow shot.
Aw, Izzy.
Big.
Go ahead. Palmer, go ahead.
Get your cake.
Palmer, get your cake.
She's like,
Come on. Come on, baby.
Come on.
Look. Let's get some.
Yeah, you did.
Oh, yum. Look, too far away from me.
There
you go. There you go.
Give me that chance.
You want to nibble at it?
Yeah.
I'm going to gulp this thing down.
Give me that chance.
Homer.
We can always growl at each other.
Yeah.
Izzy blocked her.
She ate half of that.
Man, you might be up behind me here pretty soon.
I know, that's what I'm watching.
Yeah.
Hey,
You
hey.
told me, go look at the crumbs over there.
Oh, there's a little bit on the floor there. Get it, Blenda.